balance out their key players, distributing them well since this is an all-to-play game. While Adamson is starting strong with putting in Nitura and all of their first pick middle blockers in as well.
Players gusto niyang magsama-sama ngayon. As a first six, this block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Sinundan nila ang NU Lady Bulldogs. Keeping things alive. Longest rally dito sa ating unang set. Abisegi with a cross court.
Good target by that defense. You can see here from the replay, hindi na siya naka-step forward. Nagulat, may kasamang gulat yung
programa, yung connection nyo pagdating dito sa college. Also, Abisegi is an incoming rookie, but Ali is
one of the biggest problems dito ng teams sa tournament natin because you could see from that reach alone, months of UP all throughout the season here. They've been improving every time that they have a game kasi they've started out with both 5-setters.
Pero yung talino ng laro, hindi mo pwedeng alisin yan. Tonggalio, off speed. Shy from the back row, no one was there.
Grabe. Almost playing as if she's in the front line. And you could see the shock from the defense of
are not playing around here with their eyes on the twice-to-beat prize. Klaro ito para sa Adamson. Sabi ni third to daw, we set our mind nung laro.
Set. They go to Shy. Targeting itong si Haboneto with that push. Ball still playable here. Jazz, one hand set. Nope. Sagaysay to Abby with that drop.
Smart move from Seg.
Si Shy. Imagine, si third na yung nag-set up nun. But still, pinalo niya pa rin yun. Access denied naman. Garco Chicken and Sauce Bar ordered now. Solid denial. Abisegi with that block point. Good. Jazz. To Cassie from behind.
Good placement by Dong. Dinig kanina pa. Daphne, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is her first point here in this set. Kasi pag nagbablock ka, hindi mo na makikita na naahawakan mo.
Pero agad na ibabawi. Itong si Faye.
Faye Sagaysay.
Not really the tallest setters. We know na kapag setters, hindi naman talaga sobrang kailangang upgrade talaga. No? Pag setters, ang laking bagay nun. Lahat gagana. Katulad na lang nun. Third to down.
Fresh off the high school division, most of their players, but when they play, it's just a whole different story. Bata man kami, you're a veteran. We play equally here in Adamson.
Dati, nagkaroon niya ng history syempre sa ating girls volleyball. Ngayon, gusto nila dalhin sa Adra. Flying her way in, getting that cross-court kill.
You could see that Bansil was late. Different uniforms, but parang nakakapanibagong makita wala si Madriaga kasama nila sa loob ng court.
Right now, she is on the sidelines. For sure, gusto nilang i-activate as much as all players. They go to Shy, denied, but that's gonna be a block out. And with that, they go to Jella with that cross court, targeting itong si Shy. First ball, siya papalo. Gusto ko yung palitan itong dalawang to. Ganda ng blocking sa itong si Bote. Off speed, that drop para kay Olango. Meanwhile, makakapit pa kaya itong Fighting Maroons. Faith to Segi, denied. This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
Papapunta sa court nila.
One hand save galing dito kay Donggalio. Gajero slamming it. And back-to-back points. Dang is a 3-time UAAP best middle blocker. Shy Nitura says it needs to end now.
Sino to ngayon?
25 to...
It's already warming up. Masyadong excited yung mga team natin dito maglaro ngayong araw.
Gajero successful with a cross court.
Nakita natin kanina no, in the first set, ang dami nilang palitan nito.
Points kontra NU. 20 points nung Ateneo ang kalaban. Great target para kay Bakla. This serve of the game is brought to you by Shaggy's from era to era to era. The fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun.
Na si Mordy yung ita-target niya si Pasa. And come again. Still a good...
Although right now they are behind. consecutive service ace.
What happened against NU? It's a team with tall players and strong attackers with the likes of Nina Itang and Cassie Dongalio, said their mentor, who truly
Na pakita yung laro mo kung ano yung meron ka.
Like a snow melting and spring. Wow, tandaan ko.
Oo.
Galing ni Danny eh. Pero ito, ang mas magaling, Jelay
Quite of points for Guerrero here in the second set alone.
That play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart Our Way, our rule.
That you should embrace na andun ka. And of course, quite a few reminders from Coach Yude, which already
Mordy with that push. Picked up. And another drop point, and this time coming from
get that point for UP.
mantra ngayon ni Kian Olango. Hindi na kailangan pumalo. Pwede na mga placement lang
Oo.
ang aking gawin. Hindi niya pinapahirapan ang kanyang sarili dito. Picked up by the Lady Falcons. Pero in that sequence, hindi niyo mapipick up.
Much more stable reception sa first ball. And Adamson has been having a hard time in ball distribution is quite good in the side of the Fighting Maroons.
Aseo meanwhile down the line.
You could see open area. Late si Olango para mag...
Guerrero. Mordy again, putting an exclamation point.
that attack. And at this point, Mordy already has her groove. And what out of Adamson?
It's just a 4-point game. Itang, no one was there.
She likes her sets. Hindi masyadong mababa. But at the same time, hindi masyadong mataas.
Itang. Faye, activating Mordy.
And just like pag naona ng Adamson si Mordy, when she gets in that groove, they would capitalize on her and still UP.
Goes to Shy. Off the blockers. Reverse setup naman. Faye to Shy. High school connection activated.
See some after that good hit, powering over the blockers, not actually between them, pero
inside to avoid those errors. Gandang pick-up galing naman dito kay Nina Itang, who said middle blockers doesn't have defense. But how will you try to defend that?
hindi siya naglaro, Daphne.
This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries.
Or she was already team captain of Adamson during that her steer stint in the UAAP.
Announcing her presence once again.
Dongalio with that strong
Guerrero from behind, picked up by Segi. Shy flying high.
straight down
Ball. Chance na yan para sa Adamson. Combination play.
little.
This school play is brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order now. Yung pagbabalik ng mga first sixers, iba ang hinabol nila dito. Will UP be able to answer back? Gallo with that push, denied by third.
Better service.
Game changer. You gotta spell that as S-H-A-I, Shy. Because almost a service ace there. Jazz choosing Dongalio, finally stopping the bleeding.
That Dongalio attack. Good target by Dongalio.
Try 22 all here in set number 2. Capistrano setting it to Haboneta. Faye choosing Shy from behind.
Back row attack. Grabe, Sagisay really has a lot of options here now. Because just
Jazz choosing Guerrero. Grabing pick-up naman. Ang nag-birthday kahapon,
Grabe.
Frances Mordy. Rapid
impression. She doesn't want this to take any longer. Just ending things. Grabe.
Pero ngayon, sila pa rin. New, pero nakalaban nila noon. Pumangalawa, itong UP Fighting Maroons. Meanwhile, Adamson ang nagwagi para sa ating Cebu City leg. O Mandawi City leg. Itura.
Turas.
Itong Lady Falcons, 5-3. Talaga namang extend.
Good target by Tudao on that area.
Faye, Tunitura.
Good effort on
For his young team, seeing how his other players have been stepping up like Aseo and Barrera, especially with the absence of Netura in the past 2 games. Sabi nga niya, medyo intensa na.
Faye activating Morty.
second time.
That play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart. Our way, our rules. Download the app. 1-2 play. Nabasa. Dong si Jazz. Kiano Lango.
Kiano Lango has equal no matter kung ano yung year nila.
Grabing pick-up naman yon. Galing dito kay Faye sa Gaysay. More denied. Great reflexes. Jazz goes to Jelai with authority.
Jelai.
This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner. World's best flavored fries. Order now.
Angat na angat.
4-point lead for the Lady Falcons. 12-8. Reverse setup. Sent back. Netura
Perfect set by Apusaga.
has been also doing a spectacular job in trying to activate all of her spikers, and this time delivering things up for the Fighting Maroons. 14-15. Morty from behind.
Upi in the third set. You could see that attack coming from the back. Actually, in-expect nilang long ball eh.
They'll try to wrap things up early here, or the Fighting Maroons will eagerly try to answer back. 2-point game. Jelai denied. Mestrano activating her once again. Abby with that dive. Free ball, pero yung push na yon, puntos pa rin. Morty. Chance here para sa Adamson. Yung push na yon, nope. Jelai, what an angle!
Grabe, sinilip niya talaga si Tudao sa attack na yon.
This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fry. Shy with that first ball. Morty, set back. Gandang coverage. Morty opting to go for that off speed this time. Walang katakot-takot itong si third. Picked up by Manuel. Faye to Francis, denied again, but coverage still present here. De Leon, hinabol. Gahero, ginawa ng paraan.
Bad reception coming from you.
Yesha, sent back sa Katipunan. Ali with a cross court.
Strong.
At mukhang nakapag-reflect na nga siya dito. Aboneta setting it up to Yesha. Off the blockers. Back-to-back point. Substitution na yun. De Leon and Ali. Game changers for the Fighting Maroons. Sa Gaysay. Tunitura.
Here, Tura taking things.
Again, andun pa rin yung double substitution here for Coach JP Yude. De Leon to Dongallo. Sapienza choosing Shy. Taking matters. Match point save earlier by the Fighting Maroons. Sapienza choosing Shy Netura. Sent back. Netura second time around. No. They go to Cassie. What a pickup. Galing dito kay Manuel. Third time by Shy. And that's how they would want to finish.